So hello guys, today we will continue our data science Reddit NLP project. So in previous project, what we have done, you can say data cleaning. After data cleaning, what we have do, we done text preprocessing, and then after text preprocessing, we converted words to vectors using count vectorizer. Uh, then we train our model for using random forest regressor. And so it take me around, you can say, half an hour to train this model on random forest regressor. Also, one another half an hour for linear regression. So now what I decided that I will drop this project because for single training it's taking around you can say half an hour to 45 minutes. So till that time we cannot you can say wait on stream. So that's why we will drop this project and we will work on a new project. This project I will do you can say I will complete offline. You can so let's go to our new project. So now we will uh, now we will work on our new project that is customer personality analysis. So I already provided this dataset link in my YouTube video description. So I already downloaded this. So let's create a new notebook here. Notebook.ipynb. So just a second. Let me provide dataset link here. Now we will import some necessary libraries. Let me import NumPy. Then import pandas as PD. Then we will import matplotlib.pyplot as PLT. Then we will plot cbone as SNS. Then after that, what we will import our CSV file. For that, what we will do, TF is equal to pt dot read CSV So we are saving, creating a new data frame named df, and saving our data set .csv file data inside df data frame. Let me do df.head. So it will show us, you can say, top five rows of our data frame. Let's see. So here you can see, in our data set we do not have, what's the CSV meaning? CSV means comma separated values, but in this case we do not have comma, so that's why this error is happening. So what we have to do, we have to mention here splitter, or there is a, here we have to give, you can say, semicolon. Let's run this. Here you can see, and now our we got our, you can say, desired results. So let's explore what's the shape of our data frame. Shape of data frame, or we can give shape of data set. Then for checking the shape, what we have to do, we have to do df.shape. Now in this data frame we have 2240 rows and 29 columns. So first we will do, we will drop a duplicate value, dropping duplicate values if exists. For that, what we will do, df dot drop duplicates, and we will do in place is equal to true. So our clean data frame will save inside this df data frame. So let me do df dot shape. Here you can see there is no unique, no duplicate value. That's why our shape is 2240. So now let me check the null count. Checking null count. For that, what we have to do, we have to do df dot is null, and then we have to do dot sum. So it will give me all columns with there, you can say, a number of null values. Here you can see in income column we have 24 null values, and all other columns has, you can say, 0 null value. So what we can do as our you can say, let me do, we can fill this 24 rows with income's median value or mean value. Let's check. Now let me do df dot main. Oh, so we have to stop this. We do not have to do df dot main. We have to do df of income dot main. So it will give the mean, or you can say average value of average income. And now what we will do, we will print median. You can, let me do one thing. Let me create a his plot, SNS plot, his plot, and we have to give our here we have to give our data, and our data is DF, and x-axis is our you can say income, and also let me create a smooth line. For that what we will do, I guess there is a KDE, and we will set as S2, and then we will what we will create, we will write a title, income distribution, then plt dot x, or we do not need x-axis. Let me just do plt dot show. Here we can see our you can say income distribution. So here you can see it is kind of you can say right skew. Let me cross check. Right skew distribution. Here you can see this is our right skew distribution, and here we for average value we have to we can choose median, because median will give us you can say more accuracy. So that's why we we can here write as from figure we can see income column is our income column is right distributed, or you can say right skew distribute, or we can say, or if you, we can see this is right skewed distribution, and uh, also we know that in right skewed distribution, in right skewed distribution, mode is less than this. Mode is less than median, and you can say median is less than mean. So that's why we will fill nan values with median. So now filling null values. So for that, we will do df dot. And one more thing, here you can see we are getting a warning. So for you can say visual appealing, for creating it more visually appealing, we will uh, ignore these warnings. For that, what we have to do, we have to write import warnings, and then warnings dot filter warnings. And inside filter warning, we have to give you can say ignore. So if now we will you can say run this income distribution command, here you can see it will ignore all the warnings. Now we can carry forward with. Now we will fill nan value with median value. So for that, what we have to do, df of income dot fill na. For filling and for you can say filling na values, we have method called dot fill na, and here we have to give our value. Our value will be you can say df of income dot median. Then also we have to write in place is equal to true. So now let me do df dot is null dot sum. So now all you can say columns have zero net values. Here you can see. Now what we will do df dot describe. So it will describe more about our data. You can say all about numeric columns. And you can see we have id column. So we do not need this id column. We can group this id column. Let me do df dot drop. For dropping, you can say for dropping you can dropping a column. What we have to do? We have to do df dot drop. Uh, then what we have to bracket. Then we have to give you can say column name. Our column name is id. Then we have to specify the axis. So our as it is you can say column name. So we have to give axis equal to 1, and again we will do in place equal to 2. So let me again write the markdown. Dropping id column.